The first question is, what is your favorite thing about Columbus? The second question is, what is the thing you hate the most of Columbus? The third question is, which is your favorite restaurant about Columbus?
4. For you, what is the most beautiful place in Columbus? 5. Which is your favorite museum in Columbus? 6. Do you think Columbus is the best to live? Why? 7. Did you live in other city? Have you lived here always? 8. Have you ever been in Ohio Stadium?
The question number 9 is, if you could choose a city to live before birth, could you choose Columbus? The question number 10 is, which place do you recommend to see if someone visits Columbus?